Preparing your tax return and working with an RKN file. This is a tax return data file from Rockland Tax Preparation Software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken RKN. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. An RKN file is a data file created by Rockland Tax Software, a program used for preparing and filing Canadian tax returns. Users create these files to save their personal and financial information, tax forms, and calculation progress, allowing them to complete their tax submissions over multiple sessions. The RKN file is a proprietary binary format designed to securely store sensitive financial data. Its structure is optimized for the application to quickly load and save user-specific tax information, including form fields, calculations, and personal identifiers, while preventing easy access or modification by external programs. For managing RKN files, the best dedicated software is Rockland Tax Software from Rockland Inc. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. Your essential first move, right-click the RKN file and choose Open With. If Rockland Tax Software is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If the RKN file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Given the proprietary nature of this RKN file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, opening in Rockland. Launch Rockland Tax Preparation Software and use File then Open to load the RKN file. The application displays the tax return with all entered data and calculated results ready for review modification or electronic filing submission. Next, reviewing the return. Use the navigation panel to step through individual forms and schedules, verifying entries against source documents like W-2s, 1099s, and receipts. Run the application's diagnostic checks to identify missing information or potential errors before finalizing the return. Finally, filing the return. Use the e-file feature within Rockland to transmit the completed return to the IRS and applicable state tax authorities. Save a copy of the RKN file along with PDF copies of filed forms for your records, and provide acknowledgement confirmation to clients after successful submission. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.